Okay, I retrieved the 7 arrows. Now we're going to switch limbs. And how you switch the limbs. Oh, also, my target with these razor blades, the arrows went all the way in the target. I had to use some pliers to reach into the target to pull them out. So let's change this limb. So we push this right here with an arrow. And then we take out this little screw here. On this side. It's like a little thumb screw that holds in the mag. It's right here. Alright, slide it forward. Pushed it out. Take the 130 off. And put the 240 on. So the 240 is on now. And it's lined up. 240. Put the thumb screw back in. Now, more than likely, I'm probably going to lose all these arrows because they're going to go into the target. I'm going to lose them with this heavier limb. All right, so let's load up. This is going to be extremely hard to cock. Okay, so that's cocked with the 240. 341 feet? Jesus Christ. So that's the 240. 341. Man, I gotta figure that out in meters. 338. Hold on. Let's switch this to meters and see what it is. All right. Now I switched it to meters per second. Now we have meters per second. Everything right here. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Make sure all this is locked in correctly. I don't want it blowing up in my face. All right, so that said 103 meters per second on my thing, but on the phone, hold on, let me unplug the phone and plug it back in. Let's see if it changes to meters. Oh my God, this thing is ridiculously hard. 103 meters per second, 338 feet, 104 meters. That says 341. Oh, this thing is incredible. Okay. $104 meters per second, still the same. That was a duplicate. Another 104. Oh my God, this thing is amazing. 104 meters per second. 102 meters on that one. And that's the last one. All right, there you have it. With the 240-pound limb, we have a significant increase because before it was 271 I was shooting. Now I'm shooting at 335 feet per second. Amazing. I can't wait for my Jaguar Extreme to come. I want to see how that shoots.